Y'all, I am so excited to make this announcement. But first, I want to share a little bit of background on how we got here. Back before I turned 50, I had a 50 before 50 bucket list of things I wanted to do or accomplish before I turned 50. I started working on that list on my 47th birthday, so I had 3 years to check things off. And ultimately, I ended up doing about 30 of the things on my list, which I still count as a success. Really, even if I had only done a few of the items, it was still a success because I was finally getting out and doing all of the things that I kept saying I would do one day. These were not all big things like traveling to Iceland or going to the Austin City Limits Music Festival. Some were smaller, like learning how to cross-country ski, although that was hard. Taking a wilderness survival class and buying a stand-up paddleboard. You get the picture. It was a variety of different things. It was across a big spectrum. Well, I've decided I'm going to do a 60 before 60 list, but I wanted to start a little earlier this time since I'm gonna have more to take off of the list. In 10 days, I turn 56 and I am planning on having a pretty good list to start on by then. But the exciting thing is, and this big announcement is, that you can come join me in checking off several things on that list during one trip. And the trip is, drumroll please, South Africa. That's right, if you have dreamed of doing an African safari, seeing the incredible Victoria Falls, or visiting an elephant sanctuary, this is definitely the trip for you. Like my recent tour in Ireland, this is going to be a very intimate guided tour with only 18 spots available. We're going to be traveling to Victoria Falls, Botswana, and Cape Town. In fact, we'll not only be visiting South African vineyards to sample their amazing wines, but we'll also get to have dinner with a local family in their home. That is always one of my favorite ways to experience a new place, is to really get to sit down and know the people that live there. There are so many other fun excursions and experiences included in this trip. Plus, since we'll be traveling with my awesome travel advisor, Heather, I know there will be some fun surprises once we get there. The tour is going to start in a little less than a year, August 15th, 2025. And since it is such a long way to fly, the tour is 15 days to make sure we really get to squeeze in all of the things like amazing African sunsets and taking a cable car up to the top of Table Mountain. I'm sure you're thinking this is going to be ridiculously expensive to include all of those excursions, plus your really nice accommodations and meals, but it's just shy of $7,000 for all of it. Now, it does not include airfare, but if you need help with airfare, Heather is happy to help you arrange it and make sure that you get where you need to be when the tour starts. Since we'll be traveling with the same company that organized my Ireland trip, I know we'll be staying in the best accommodations with amazing food. At least it seemed like all of them were at 4- and 5-star level to me. And the best part of all of this is I'll finally get to meet some of you in person and we'll get to have an incredible adventure together. But I do want to stress again that there are only 18 spots available. So you're gonna want to reserve your spot as soon as possible. I have all of the information listed down below in the description and the first pinned comment, including Heather's contact information if you want to get really into the nitty-gritty details of the trip. Y'all, I just want to take a moment to thank you all for being here and making this dream of mine to create this crazy dream, to create this YouTube channel for women our age who still have so much adventure left to experience. If it wasn't for you being here week after week, I couldn't even dream of embarking on so many of these adventures. And I really can't wait to be able to share more adventures with you in person. Before I go, I'd like to ask, circling back to the beginning of this video, what are some of your biggest bucket list or dream list items you want to accomplish? Let us know in the comments below, and maybe you'll find somebody else who has the same dream. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have safe and wonderful travels. Maybe traveling with me very soon.